Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video I am going to share you some tips and tricks about woodworking decoration idea for your home decor. So let's get started the video. Number 1. All art. Wooden panels. Create geometric or abstract design using different wood stain and finishes. Silhouette art. Cut our shapes like tree, animals or landscape from wood and mount them or contrasting backgrounds. Number 2. Shelves. Floating shelves. Install simple floating shelves made of randomical wood to display plants, books or art. Ladder shelves. Build a leading ladder shelf for a rustic look, perfect for displaying decor items. Number 3. Picture frames. Custom frames. Make unique frames using different wood types of designs. Easy burned wood for a farmhouse feel. Collage frames. Create a multi-photo frame that can hold shelves, pictures in on pages. Number 4. Furniture essence. Coasters. Craft personalized coasters from shelves of wood, encourage or painted with designs. Trays. Build decorative trays for organizing items on coffee tables or enterways. Number 5. Planters. Wooden planters. Design unique planters with interesting shape or use old wooden crates for a rustic garden touch. Hanging plants. Create hanging wooden pallets for a vertical garden effect. Number 6. Decorative boxes. Storage boxes. Make beautiful curved boxes for storing keepsakes using intricate designs or carvings. Jewelry boxes. Create elegant jewelry boxes with complements and decorative inlays. Number 7. Lighting fixtures. Wooden lamp. Craft table or floor lamps using wood base or pendants, incorporating natural elements. Candle holders. Make rustic candle holders or lantern from wood, scale or logs. Number 8. Seasonal decor. Holiday ornaments. Carve or cut out seasonal decoration for holiday. Weight bases. Use wood for the base of seasonal waste, decorating with greenery and other materials. Number 9. Signage. Welcome signs. Create personalized welcome signs for your home or garden. Inspiration quotes. Wood planets quotes or saying can add personal touch to any room. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe.